Hi, my name is Nehal Goel. I am the CEO of Shiv Om Group of Industries. We are into brass industries. We produce these all components for the electrical industries, electronic industries, automobile sector, the marine sector, engineering and others. We are with Jyoti since 2007 and Mr. Parakram Singh Jadeja is an inspired person for our company. Currently we are using more than 80 machines of Jyoti CNC, which includes high-speed drill tap center, turn mill centers and other CNC machines. We thanks Jyoti CNC for best service, support and reliability. For the Atmanirbhar Bharat, we believe that Jyoti CNC and Shiv Om Brass will work together for the future growth of the nation. Thank you.